The final video to fix the Secure Boot certificates updated but not applied issue on Server 2022. Are you seeing that your certificates update, but nothing changes after reboot? This usually happens because Windows doesn't automatically apply new Secure Boot keys unless certain settings are confirmed in the firmware. Most guides online are long, confusing, and full of steps that can break your server if done wrong. On Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that works every time without touching risky settings. All you need is a quick check in your BIOS and a single command in Windows that forces the system to apply the new Secure Boot certificates instantly. It takes less than 2 minutes, and you don't have to dig through complex menus or scripts. If you want, comment below, and I'll make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click, so you can fix this issue safely on your Server 2022.